next 2 weeks as we journey through the jungles of the world on the world-famous Jungle Cruise, where we are world-famous for being famous around the world. We are now entering into the Amazon Rainforest, where it usually rains 365 days a year. Yes, almost every day. Just like Florida. Who knew? Now, as we round the corner here, coming into view, you will see Inspiration Falls. Now, people always ask me, Skipper Morgan, why do they call it Inspiration Falls? Well, because one time I climbed to the top, fell, and was inspired.
Yeah. That's great.
I'll never do that again. Everybody say, ah. Sounds like inspiration to me. Well, we are now entering into the Congo River, where we're going to see how far we can go. That joke's not getting any better from here, folks. But hey, if you've always wanted to see the Jungle Book, guess what? There it is. It's right there on that crate. Disney Classic. I love blue. Goodness. Now, I've got a Pygmy welcoming party all set up for you, so get ready to party with my friends, the Pygmies, who did not show up. At least I can't see anybody. Canoe? Canoe? Tell me this, Jilly, see something that may have scared my friends off? Something big, something intimidating, something like that python sitting in a tree, H-I-S-S-I-N-G. Be careful, you may develop a crush on you. It's quite the constricting relationship, but don't worry, I've got some snake repellent in my tent, which is full of gorillas. Again. A little bit. But hey, look on the bright side, I couldn't get that Jeep started this morning. Looks like they got it to turn over. Yeah, must have used a monkey wrench, huh? It's gonna cost an arm and a leg. Okay, well, folks, say goodbye to the Congo, because we are now entering into the Nile River, the longest river in Africa. Stretches on for Niles. And Niles. And Niles. And Niles. And if you don't believe me, then you are in Africa. Africa. But good try, though, good try. Now I taught her a trick. Ready? Speak. Louder. Spray the boat. Still working on that one. Yeah, oh, but you'll look over here. This right here, this is sandstone. And I want to tell you all that sandstone because some people take it for granted. Yeah, it's one of our boulder attractions here. Quite the rock star, if you ask me. I'm glad to see you share my sentiments. It is pretty marvelous. We're now passing through the African belt, where you can see all kinds of exotic wildlife, including this pride of lions enjoying a zebra on the rocks. Yeah, they have a little trouble separating the light meat from the dark meat, the light meat from the dark meat, the light meat from the dark meat. But don't worry, kids, they're just guarding the sleeping zebra, because that's how zebras sleep, you know, surrounded by lions. Yeah! I was wondering where that safari got to. Hey, you see what happens when you come out here without a trained professional like myself? I mean, I guess if there's anything we can learn, it's the number one law of the jungle. Don't be the low man on the totem pole. Yeah, but I guess you got the point in the end, though, huh? And those hyenas must have gotten the last laugh. But hey, what a rhino. What a rhino. Now, if you look over here, you're going to see absolutely nothing. Made you look. Yeah, folks, I got to tell you, when you've been in the jungle for as long as I have, you start to smell danger. You start to smell danger. Well, let's get dangerous, my friend. Because up ahead is Schweitzer Falls, named after that famous jungle explorer, Dr. Albert. Falls. And we'll be going over that later. Right now, we're a little too close. Little too close. Here we go. Lean. Everybody lean. Everybody lean. Everybody lean. Okay, look, we made it. I knew we would. But you know, people are always asking me, Skipper Morgan, how did you land your job here at the Jungle Cruise? Yeah, I tell them it's pretty plain to see. I took a crash course. And I've been winging it ever since. But y'all know what a downplane in the jungle means, right? Yeah, hippos. Tons of them. Now, we seem to have stumbled into a pool of hungry hippos. So do me a favor, try not to look like a marble. Now, hippos like these have been known to accidentally capsize boats like mine. Oh, sorry, guys. I've steered us right into headhunter territory. This is a really bad place to be headed. You know why those natives are dancing in a circle, right? Because they can't square dance. You know that drawing? That's got to mean that there's an ambush nearby. Now, if you see anything that looks like an ambush, you let me know, okay? Yeah, that's an ambush, guys. Oh, but look at this. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. The Yeah, O2H, H2O backwards. I like to tell chemistry jokes then, periodically. But you know that lovely refreshing mist in your face, right? Yeah. It's over 600 different kinds of bacteria in that water. But we are now in the Mekong River in the Khmer Empire was known for building temples like these all throughout Cambodia. Now guys, I'm not gonna lie, it looks like it could be full of adventure, full of danger, but you know what, we got this. We got this. Oh, we don't got this, guys, it's worse than I thought. It's a root canal. Raise your hand if you didn't make it. Okay, we're gonna come back for us later. Because it looks like we are now in an Indian elephant bathing pool. Quite the rare and exotic sight to behold. But go ahead guys, go ahead and take all the pictures you like. They all have their trunks on. Hey, knock it off, you two! Put it down! Oh my goodness, guys, look at two baby elephants like a full moon. Hey! I saw that. Don't you even dare spray my boat. We talked about this. Seriously. Get down. Get down right now. Get down. Good boy. Good boy. Get down. Don't. No. Put it down. Good boy. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, they're actually very sweet. They're just notorious for spraying boats. And I always get nervous because, you know, that stuff that comes out of their noses. I wish I could tell you that was water. Yeah, it's not.